大家好，我是阿勇。
大家好，我是彭美芳的阿华。
阿欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange。
顶礼拜台湾第一位本土总统李登辉97岁寿终正寝。咱这礼拜免经新闻翻译吼，这是阿华家己写的纪念文章，讲伊对李总统以身作则的心声，甲伊家己对未来愿望吼。
因为我原在想讲要经一条咧讲李登辉的台语新闻，结果我遮抄遐柄四界看，就是看无一条我喜意的文章，所以我就想讲，不如我家己来写。当然嘛是有参考一寡别人写的资料。安尼即马就请大家来听看卖，阿勇会甲我写的这篇纪念李总统的台语的文章，一句一句甲伊翻译做英语来。李登辉反说是台湾有史以来上爱读册、上朴学的政治人物。
Lee Teng-hui might just be the most well-read and learned political figure in Taiwanese history.
伊出世伫日本帝国台北州淡水郡的三芝。
He was born in Sanshi, a village in the Tansui district located in Taihoku Prefecture of the Japanese Empire.
是一个客家的台语人。
And he grew up speaking Taigi in a Hakka family.
细汉时伫妈祖经读台语念的《论语》名著。
As a child, he would often go to the Mazo Temple, where he would recite the Analects of Confucius and the Mencius in Taigi.
少年时读鲁迅阿 Q 正传的日文翻译，因为伊未晓华文。
Later, he would go on to read Lo Xin's The True Story of A-Q in Japanese translation. Indeed, he hadn't yet learned Mandarin.
高中出业，伊买册已經買700多本啊。
By the time he graduated from high school, he had already purchased over 700 books.
咱足濟人規世人也讀無100本冊呢。
Many of us might not read more than 100 books in our lifetimes.
台北帝國大學，互伊讀甲變做台灣大學。
He studied at Taihoku Imperial University, which became Taiwan University during his tenure there.
伊伫美國康奈爾大學摕到博士。
He went on to obtain his PhD at Cornell University in the US.
寫迄個論文咬甲美國人頒獎互伊，講伊是伊1968年上出叫的論文。
And wrote an award-winning thesis, designated the most outstanding thesis of 1968.
伊捐萬外本冊，互台大做一個李登輝圖書館。
He donated over 10,000 books to the Taiwan University to start the Li Dinghui Library.
結果伊家己的冊房也閣有幾多萬本冊。
And in the end, his own study still contained many tens of thousands of books. Wow.
90外歲也是逐工咧讀冊。
Into his 90s, he was still an avid reader.
研究上新的能源問題，替台灣算看太陽能發電是會好也袂好。
Even researching the latest in energy production and studying the feasibility of solar energy for Taiwan.
因為伊宋楚瑜規世人要坐總統迄位，攏坐無着。
It was Li that thwarted Song Tozu's lifelong aspiration of attaining the presidency.
因為伊中國國民黨拆做三地，加親民黨甲新黨出來。
It was Li that led to the breakup of the KMT, splitting into three pieces as the PFP and the New Party.
因為伊政權自中國人總統的手頭交予一定愛講華語的台灣人總統。
It was Li that allowed political authority to be wrested from the Chinese and given to a Taiwanese president, albeit a Mandarin-speaking Taiwanese president.
頭尾無發生武裝政變，無流血。
From start to finish, a peaceful transition of power without a drop of blood spilled.
是伊头一个讲两岸是国与国的关系。
He was the first to say that cross-strait relations were state-to-state relations.
是伊头一个讲49族群是新台湾人。
He was the first to say that the immigrants of 1949 were new Taiwanese.
是伊甲三民主义统一中国改做台湾已经是一个独立的国家，目前的名叫中华民国。
And he was the first to discard the idea of unification under the three principles of the people and replace it with the idea that Taiwan is already an independent country, at present named the Republic of China.
这套民进党到今也搁咧用。
This concept is still employed today by the DPP.
伊上出名一句话讲：民之所欲，常在我心。
His most famous quote is, "I serve with the people, always in my heart."
伊互中华民国毋免搁做中国国民党的中华民国。
The Republic of China, after Li, was no longer the Chinese Nationalist Party's Republic of China.
若要接续伊的精神，我望咱未来
If we follow in his footsteps, I hope that one day in our future,
会当互台湾毋免搁做中华民国的台湾。
Taiwan will no longer be the Republic of China on Taiwan.
是一个真了不起的人物。当然，咱拢是希望即马台湾本土的族群之间尽量拢爱和谐来同齐生活，变做新的台湾人，这是无毋对。毋过即马若转去看伊迄当阵讲出即句话，迄个时空，就会感觉即句话实在是讲了伤过早，因为伫228的期间，白色恐怖的期间，抑阁有即马本土语言受到压迫的问题，其实拢抑未得到一个解决。所以你著若伫即款情形之下，你著要叫加害者甲被害者爱南做伙，变做新的台湾人。即句话是讲了后较早。
你敢会算这是一种政治扭波？
对，安尼讲嘛是无毋对。虽然讲伊较早做的代志，咱无一定逐项拢认同讲一定是上正确的。毋过我嘛会阮会讲即句话，就是咱即马任何一个人徛伫伊当年徛迄位，拢无法度做了比伊搁较好，拢无法度互台湾民主的进步比即马搁较紧。
阿华你写的非常感动。我袂当讲较假啦。敢若想要提醒阮的大家台湾观众朋友，就是台湾的民主制度、民主时代是足新的，无像美国甲是欧洲有几百档的历史吼，20外档尔吼。虽然民主有时进步真慢，大家只要继续拍拼吼，无啥物做别的代志，我感觉是安尼。
对，就是我嘛想要提醒大家，我拄则伫即个文章的上尾几句话，我有讲到，这是政权因为李登辉的贡献，真和平的自中国人总统的手头交互一个台湾人总统。毋过，即个台湾人总统是一个一定爱讲华语的台湾人总统。对，今仔日一个台湾囡仔。若是干那会晓讲台语，敢有可能做总统？无可能。干那讲客语，无可能。干那讲原住民语，无可能做总统。毋过一个干那会晓讲华语的人，就有法度做总统。这就是一个证据。咱透过语言这个照妖镜，咱就看甲足明的，讲即摆的中华民国毋是一个公平正义的国家。这就是咱着爱接续着咱李总统的脚步，咱一步一步来向前行。爱个继续拍拼的部分。
对，你若感觉英台 Express 对你有帮助
，Don't forget to subscribe, like and share。若有任何你想要看到阮两个互相翻译的新闻
，Feel free to drop us a line in the comments.
See you next time。
再会。